Guys, welcome back to the channel. We are out on a special one today. We're actually at Rocky Mountain Motorsports Park. So we're having a first look of where the construction's at, and really quite excited to see this. The amount of earthworks here is pretty crazy. They've done a lot of work over the winter, so let's go check it out. Okay, so we're gonna go up this first berm here and then get a bit of an eagle-eye view over there of what it looks like.
Out of turn 14, right down at the bottom.
So, oh, sorry, back in the truck here, we're just coming down off this berm. So that was the overlook of the final turn onto the front straight. You saw where the construction equipment is. That's basically where the pit area is going to be, and they're going to do pit garages. It's going to be awesome. So really excited about this, and I mean, they're doing a fantastic job here. So it's down at the bottom of turn 1. So it comes up through here and then travels out, and it'll go into a hairpin. So pretty crazy amount of elevation change from, you see where the trucks are over there. Amazing, actually. Okay, so this is turn 2 coming through here, and as we come up, they're going to actually bowl this out a little bit so that it's actually cambered towards the apex. Right now it's a little bit off camber, and as you can see, it goes down here into the next straight and then onto the next braking zone. And you can see we're actually going to be dropping down here, but they're probably going to be putting in some substrate, because this is a lower part of the track, but not this much lower. Look how far down we're going. Oh, wow. Okay, so we just had a little stop here and talked with Dom, and yeah, they're actually that section where we drop down quite a bit, it's obviously over excavated, but that is actually going to be a downhill section, which is actually pretty cool. You know, you can see where the drainage is in, so they're definitely anticipating water, but that's going to be a bit of a roller coaster ride coming through there. Really looking forward to that one. So we're just coming out of turn 10, and then we're into this big compression here. I think that this roller is going to go, but look at this. As you come up the hill, that's going to be intense.
This complex in particular, and I printed this out. This gives you an elevation profile of this corner, and this is really going to be the signature corner of the track, and the corner that we're going to be known for, because it's going to be really exciting to drive. So you guys just drove through turn 10, 11, and you can sort of see the drop that you get between turn 10 and 11 as it's coming to shape, but we're still bulking out the dirt sort of between corner 11 and the lowest point over here. But when this is fully built, when you come out of turn 11, you're going to gain from that corner to the top of the highest point on the track, which is just sort of by the mound of dirt in front of Dominic's Cayenne there. You're going to gain 12 meters of elevation, so close to about 40 feet. Most cars, your fastest cars are going to have to brake into corner 12. Some of the slower mid-speed cars you might have to lift, or if you're running a Miata or a BRZ or something like that, you'd probably be able to run this corner flat out and start to brake into here.
Okay, so they just walked us through the big rise here. So I guess this is turn 11, 12, and they're talking about actually in like the FRS BRZ GTA 6 not having to brake until almost the apex. There's that much of a grade up and compression on the suspension, so the car's going to load up. This is amazing. But now we're coming down the hill on the other side. So here we are coming down the hill. It's hard to see on camera because like there's just not that much perspective and whatnot, but this is going to be another big compression. Basically, as where the vehicles are going right now, yeah, that's going to be the bottom of it. So I think the last time we were talking about that being the flush. So we're coming down the hill and then you're immediately janking it to the left here. I'm excited. Okay guys, we got Dominic here with Rocky Mountain Motorsports Park. He's going to give us just a quick overview, and I guess you guys have a couple memberships still available.
Yeah, absolutely. We have some memberships still,
right
if people are interested. Yep.
So maybe just give us a quick overview of what the plan is for the site and what you guys have cooking.
Okay, well, you've of course just been around the site, so you've had a chance to see the 3.5 kilometer track, the amount of elevation change that we've got as part of the overall design and build. We're getting down close to that final grade in a lot of segments of the track, and in fact this is probably, I've been told, the last time we might be able to do an actual drive around the track, because when they get to final grade they don't want us to mess that up anymore. So I mean the schedule is awesome because we've had such an early spring, so to speak, and there's been you know, no late snows and that kind of thing to slow us down. So we're actually had the crew out here for 3 weeks already this year, and we're well ahead of what we had thought the schedule would be in terms of getting the final dirt moved.
Right on. So hopefully this year.
Oh, absolutely, yeah.
Yep. And find out more details.
Oh yeah, RockyMotorsports.com. You can have a look. You can probably access our track drive simulation from there. That's pretty cool to look at. You can also get information about the memberships there, and just get sort of update posts as part of that as well. Although if you follow us on Instagram and Facebook, you'll get those as well.
Right on. I'll throw a link down in the description for the track simulation. Awesome. It's a great video. It really is. I checked it out the other day. So, hey, thank you very much for your time today and showing us around the track.
You're welcome.
Super fun.
It's cool to see it. You don't really get the perspective until you get here. You know, a 2D piece of paper doesn't show it to you. You gotta
doesn't.
see what we've done here. It's amazing.
Fantastic. Well, thank you. I'll give you the elbow. There you go. Thanks a lot. Hey, just want to sum up this video. We had an incredible day at RMM, which is Rocky Mountain Motorsports. They're getting ready to actually get to final grade right now, and what an incredible opportunity for us to actually be there, check it out, really get a lay of the land. And from the video you'll see that there's a lot more elevation change there than it looks like on a track map. So really excited to see what this track is going to bring for us. Obviously it's set for real high horsepower, high grip cars, so this is going to be a little bit of a challenge for Twin Six. Until then, we're gonna get ready for this coming track season. It's time for new brakes, time for new brake lines, and maybe some aero work on Twin Six. But until then, always remember to subscribe, graze that like button, and comment down below. What do you think of this new track? Is this going to be a monster high horsepower track, or is it going to be a fairly technical track? Let me know what you think. Till then, stay safe.